Looking to beat the heat while working in your garage? In today's video, we're breaking down the best garage air conditioners to keep your workspace cool and comfortable. We upload quality videos daily to help you find the right products for your needs. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more expert picks. Number 1. Colblanc 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. You don't have to spend a lot to get some cool relief in your workshop. The Colblanc 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner is just the ticket for an affordable AC unit for garage use. This model doesn't have a lot of bells and whistles, but it reduced the temperature in our garage from 80 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit in 55 minutes. That's 10 minutes longer than it took the Drio to reduce the temperature, but once it reached 70 degrees Fahrenheit, we slowed the fan speed, and it did a good job of maintaining the temperature for the next 1.5 hours. Although Colblanc says it will keep spaces up to 550 square feet cool, approximately the size of many two-car garages, we feel it's better suited to a one-car garage or up to about 350 square feet. Of course, it all depends on the structure's insulation level and the outdoor temperature. This is a one-hose unit with a nice window kit for exhausting the warm air, a byproduct of the condensing process. Number 2. Drio 12,000 BTU Smart Air Conditioner. Drio did it again. This is one very cool portable garage AC unit. In our tests, the Drio AC515S reduced the indoor temperature of our garage from 80 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit in just 45 minutes. We thought that was pretty good considering it was 98 degrees Fahrenheit outside. Plus, our garage isn't insulated, so the Drio had its work cut out for it. This is a one-hose model, which means it has an exhaust hose designed to fit a double-hung or slider window, but no intake hose. We prefer this design because it's cleaner looking than having two hoses running out a window. The air intake on the Drio is on the unit's backside. It draws in air from the garage space. This is a quiet, single-room air conditioner, and the hum that it emits is akin to white noise. It's more comforting than annoying. It features smooth rolling caster wheels that allowed us to move it with ease. But our favorite feature was the smart connectivity that let us sync the unit to our wireless network and control it remotely from our smartphone. Number 3. Keystone 14,000 BTU Through-the-Wall Air Conditioner. This through-the-wall model will easily cool most two-car or three-car garages. The Keystone air conditioner is designed to be installed within a garage wall. It's best suited for someone who is replacing an existing through-the-wall unit where the exterior sleeve is already in place. You'll want to purchase a sleeve separately if it's a new install. This 14,000 BTU AC is a powerful unit. It reduced the garage temperature from 80 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit in just 20 minutes. We like the speed and power of Keystone's cooling, but we weren't fans of the control panel. Rather than words, the panel features only symbols, and while some are immediately recognizable, a crescent moon signifies sleep mode, others aren't. Eventually, you will likely learn all the modes behind the symbols, but we wished Keystone included some words. Number 4. Sunville Mini Split Air Conditioner Heat Pump. Os looking for a garage air conditioner that can quickly cool just about any space will appreciate this powerful mini split. It sits neatly on a high wall while pumping cool air into the garage. At 24,000 BTUs, it's the most powerful option on our list. As a mini split, this unit takes up minimal interior space. The bulk of the unit sits outside. One thing we really like is the near-silent operation inside the workshop. If you're a craftsperson or artist who values peace and quiet, you'll like the fact that the Sunville generates just 35 decibels at its lowest speed. That's comparable to the sound of rustling leaves. We could totally live with that. It comes with an installation kit for DIYers, but we suggest using a professional service because mini-split installation can be tricky and it will need a 20-amp outlet. Number 5. Winter 14,000 BTU Dual-Hose Portable Air Conditioner. The Winter Portable Air Conditioner is 2,000 BTUs more powerful than the two portable units we tested, and it has an added feature, a carbon filter that removes odors from the air as it cools. If you regularly work with solutions that produce volatile organic compounds, VOCs, this is a nice perk. We think this would do well for someone who has a paint booth or finishes wood in their shop. The portability factor means you might set up cooling near a workbench one day and move it to the other side of your garage or into the house to work on organizing storage the next. All that's needed is a window or opening to insert the adjustable vent plate. This model has been around since 2000 and is proven in terms of reliability and performance. While it's not the most efficient on our list, the design is intuitive and has excellent cooling power for a portable air conditioner. Garages that fit 1 or 2 cars will benefit most from its 14,000 BTU cooling capabilities.